Sellable is not the same as protected. A legal-looking Seattle connection still failed in real life, inspiring this governed workflow. 1 product supports choice before purchase and intervention after disruption. 2 sandbox routings connect Shanghai through Kuala Lumpur to Singapore. The cheaper leaves 115 minutes. $14 more by 70 extra. These are snapshots, not live inventory. The recommendation is deterministic, not an LLM opinion. After a 60-minute delay, the buffered route leaves 125 minutes. The cheaper route leaves 55, below the published 60-minute floor. This is a counterfactual, not a probability. This is a real DeepSeek API call. I ask for a comfortable connection, even at a slightly higher price. DeepSeek maps the request to largest buffer and shows its model identifier. It interprets preference only. Transparent rules rank the provider return flights. A recorded evidence run separates official and community sources. Search is limited to 2 rounds and an AirAsia domain gate. Structured checks validate each field. When official evidence is insufficient, the product withholds the verdict. 60 plus 90 is not universal. It comes from a sourced AirAsia fly-through registry entry. New routes add policy data. Unconfigured routes take an explicit no policy path. Only after explicit traveler confirmation does the itinerary enter airline watch. No booking is created, and no change proceeds without consent. The airline runs a clearly labeled simulation. A 60-minute inbound delay leaves 125 minutes, above the published 60-minute floor, but below the 150-minute comfort target. It is tight, not insufficient. The system records a consent-gated notice. No live flight status or operational change is claimed. Consent, delay, reassessment, and notice are written to a timestamped local audit trail with source labels. It stays in this browser, making governance inspectable without exposing hidden reasoning or sending traveler data elsewhere. Qoder supported implementation, browser verification, and judge-style audits. The checkout passes 62 tests and 95 acceptance checks covering safety, consent, provenance, and policy boundaries. Reviewers can run the full journey in zero-credential mock mode. Every boundary is explicit. Sourced policy, snapshot flight data, simulated disruption, and no booking or payment claim. Connection integrity agent. Choose right, then keep it safe.